Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. So this is a Japanese variety influenced by South Korean ramen. Ooh, look at that, it's got a little animal on the back. Ooh. They just started doing these, the Nissin varieties. They've got the little tabs. They've got two of them. And I think that started when they started doing these fusions and all sorts of weird stuff. Here's the side of the cup. And, yeah, this is like a spicy cheese ramen, which is a trip. It's got a lot of powder in it, which is much like your standard South Korean varieties. And a sachet of pepper powder, Japanese, like a Togarashi. They're calling this a Togarashimen, or Togarashimen. Yeah, it's got spices and peppers in it. So, I believe Togarashi means 7 in Japanese. So there we are with our liquid, and we are going for 3 minutes. And yeah, this one, it wouldn't do much sense to do the shot of the, I could show you what the pot looks like right now, but it's really not doing anything. So, yeah, today is Friday, August 25th, I think. And the big news is that Donald Trump got a mugshot. Yep. I'm sure you've seen it by now, considering it's mid-January for you. So, yeah. The memes have started. They're pouring like to no end. So yeah, it's cloudy outside. I don't know what it's going to do today. I know the next 2 days are supposed to be the mid and upper 80s, so that's going to be something. As well as it's going to be Pokemon Go Fest, and I know, need help, but it's, I don't know, my sister's been into Pokemon Go for quite a while. She started playing it in 2016, and my phones would never play it, so it was just like, and then finally they did, and it's like, oh, okay, so now I'm kind of suckered into that whole thing. I like Pikmin better, though. Pikmin's one where it's all about walking, and I do a lot of that. So, you know, I'm thinking, I haven't worn this shirt in a long time, and this is a company that kind of came out all of a sudden out of the blue. They're from South Carolina, and their stuff's pretty good. It's almost all, I think it's all vegan, too. And I did a collaboration with them a couple years ago. And see, you can see there's a Ramen Raider logo on the sleeve. It's like a NASCAR shirt or something. But I was just thinking I should hit them up and see if they want to do something. Yeah. It could be done. You know, usually when I don't usually hit companies up. Companies will hit me up to do a giveaway, like in the Ramen Junkies group or something. I haven't done it in a long time, so maybe, just maybe, we will do that. If you're watching this in January, most likely that's already happened. So this is about ready. Don't worry, next episode you'll get to watch me cook the noodles, or the noodles cook in the pot. Our little spicy sachet. But yeah, it's cloudy, funking out. Gonna do a bunch of junk today with the family. The family. Here is our peppery aspect. Definitely want to get all that in there. And here is what we've got. There's our peppery aspect right there. So we will stir that in. So it's supposed to be like ramen, huh? The noodle is not thick. I will say that right off the bat. But we will see how this all goes. Cheers. It's supposed to be a cheese one. Kind of a tomato. There's our broth. Colorful. I will say on this one, that's actually not bad. The heat is pretty muted. And honestly, this is the funny part, because so many times in the past I've had Japanese varieties where the heat is very muted, even more so than this, but it's touting itself as being kind of spicy. And there was this one that was on the market, I think it's now in a bowl is the only way you can get it, but it's 18 prohibited stuff. And I thought, oh, I've got a, I mean, this was way back. It's like, I've got a cold. This should be nice. Something a little bit, tiny touch spicy. It'll be good for what ails me. It ended up being pretty violently spicy. In fact, top 10 spicy list spicy. Did not expect that. I got served. The smallest slice of chashu that I could find in the currently open bag of chashu. Let's torch that. Nice. We've got egg. Made 7 soft-boiled eggs. No, 5 soft-boiled eggs today. And yeah, I made 5. My wife wanted 2, so I happily gave her 2 eggs, which I think she enjoyed. And so what was it? And then I'm gonna try to use 3 of them today, as long as I remember. And then, whoa dear. This is kind of tricky because it's not a huge. I lost track of time when I was doing these up, so they're not as soft as could be. But they've been sitting in soy sauce and water for maybe like 45 minutes, maybe closer to an hour. Got a little bit of color, which is cool, but you know. A little bit of, I was thinking about adding a little bit of cheese, which usually freaks a lot of people out. I don't know why. Like, why wouldn't you add cheese to noodles? They're all Westerners too. It's like, dude, most of your noodle dishes have cheese. Whoa. Was that an earthquake? I don't know. Our neighbors like to slam their door to the point that it sounds like a freaking earthquake. Oh, I had a slice of Naruto. I thought it out. But I don't think it was really all that necessary in this one. Go like that. Thought we heard something that sounded like gunshots downtown last night, but I don't think we did. I think it was a car backfiring. But definitely had the rat-a-tat-tat with my gat kind of audio repetition. It's like if it was, it's like I don't know what they were shooting at. Wasn't me. I'm glad of that. But yeah, this one's pretty good. I like being able to say that about a fusion variety. So yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this nice Vite Ramen garlic pork tonkatsu full of fiber, protein, 480 calories, low sodium, and I mean, that's all vitamins. It's pretty cool stuff, neat people that make it. So yeah, and this is their version 3.0. They keep upgrading the noodle block and the flavor and all that stuff, so super cool. And yeah. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.